Hey YouTube, you're welcome to TechvZone again. I hope you all are doing very good. And last time we learned how to download and install WordPress and how to download XM, and we had an introduction about WordPress, and we learned installation of the WordPress completely, and we had some basic introduction about the database. So I am going to I am going to give you a brief introduction about WordPress and database once again. So WordPress is a platform where you can design a website without a coding. Even if you don't know HTML, CSS, you don't have to worry. And uh, we can create dynamic website using WordPress. In order to create dynamic websites, we must have a database is a site where our data is stored in the form of tables. Table consists of rows and columns. So guys, let's get started. Today tutorial, I have already opened my localhost WordPress site. So if I want to go to my admin panel, I have to just type in the URL localhost /wordpress wp admin. It will take you to the admin panel. Now as we just typed wp-admin, here it is asking for the username and password. Last time we made an account of WordPress and remember the username and the password. I entered my username was admin and the password was admin. So now I have successfully logged in again to my WordPress account. Now today I am going to teach you about the dashboard. What is dashboard? Dashboard is actually an admin panel, means a panel where you can manage your site, where you can manage your content, means all the part of your website is managed from your dashboard, means admin panel. So dashboard is the synonym of admin panel in simple words. So guys, let me explain you about the admin user profile. So here you can see on the right corner, here is an admin profile. Just click on the edit profile, or you can just click on how do you admin. It will both links will take you to the same page. Now here you see some options over here. The first option is visual editor. Now guys, what is visual editor? I will practically explain you what is visual editor. Let's go to pages and click on add new, and I will open this add new page in the new tab. As soon as it is opened, you will see something like this. So there you see two tabs which are visual and text. It is actually called a visual editor, and it is saying if you want to disable this section, means this visual editor, then click on it. As you will guys scroll down, you will see the update profile button. Let's click on it and refresh the add new page tab. Alright, let's refresh it, and now you see that visual and text, those two tabs have been disabled. Why? Because we disabled from here, means we have disabled the visual editor. So that is the visual editor. Let's enable that again, uncheck it, and click on update profile. All right, now we have successfully unchecked that. Let's refresh it. Now these two tabs are enabled now. So This is called visual editor. Let's close this. Alright, there is a admin color scheme, means your admin panel color. Admin color scheme is the actually the admin color scheme is the color theme of your admin panel. So there are many colors. You can select any of you which one you like. I select on light, and now the color theme has been changed. Let's select this blue, coffee. So you can select that one which you like, and I like the midnight one. So let's scroll down. There's a enable keyboard shortcuts for command moderation. So toolbar. So what is toolbar? Show toolbar when viewing site. Now how to view site from your admin panel. So guys, there you see on the left corner, on the top left corner, a home icon where your site title is visible. So just hover over it. Hover means take your mouse over the site title, and there you will see a drop down, and in the drop down you see the visit site option. Click on it. uh, I I prefer to open in the new tab, so that it if I just left click on it, so it will open into the same window. So I don't want to open it in the same window. After that, now I am viewing my site. There is a problem. There I see my toolbar, my admin panel toolbar, but I don't want this to be visible when I am viewing a site. So guys, don't worry, there is an option, means toolbar, show toolbar when viewing site. What we are doing over here, we are actually viewing our site. So it is say is just uncheck it, and now when we are viewing our site, the toolbar will be disabled, means it will not show up. Yeah, now we are now viewing our site, but toolbar is disappeared. Why? Because we unchecked this checkbox. So if we want that to be appear again, just click on it, update profile, refresh this page. Now that toolbar is now visible again. After all of that, guys, here you see your first name input box, last name input box, and nickname which is required. Our nickname is showing as admin over here, so it is selected over here as admin. But we let's type the first name. First name is Hamad and Pervez. So as we just entered first and last name, here we see some combinations of Hamad Pervez. Alright, and it is saying a nickname. I want my nickname to be TechvZone, and here I see some more combinations of suggested name, which one I want to select. It is saying display name as publicly. Now what does it mean by let me explain you practically. Here is a post, a recent post, hello world. Let's click on it, and there you see a comment box. Let's type anything. Obey your parents, please. Post a comment. As you will post a comment, you see here a name admin, but it doesn't look suitable. That admin doesn't look so much suitable, so we want it to be changed, means everybody can see that the comment has been posted by an admin, but we don't want it to be appear, means we don't like that admin name to be appeared publicly. So just change display name publicly. Let's select TechvZone, update your profile. Now refresh this page. as loading is complete, let's subscribe my channel to receive. Let's post a comment. Here we go. Now our name is TechvZone, which we set display name publicly as TechvZone. So our publicly name is TechvZone. It seems much suitable. What are it is the email that we set in the sign up of the WordPress, in the installation of the WordPress. And there you can set biographical info about yourself, and there is a gravatar, means you can set your profile picture of your admin user profile. Just click on the gravatar. After that, there you will see a button name create your gravatar. Click on it. um, it seems to be time wasting to me, so what you will see over here, you will see a sign up option here. Just follow the instructions here, and you will be able to make your profile picture in an admin panel. So here is the option, so I don't need that. It seems to be time wasting to me. You can generate a new password for your admin account, and here it is saying that if this account is logged in anywhere and you want to log out it from anywhere else, just click on this button, but you will be logged in this account, means you will be stayed logged in into this account. So my this account is just logged in my PC. In this PC it is not logged in anywhere else because we are working locally. So after all of that, guys, let's comes to the dashboard. As I explained you, dashboard is the admin panel. It is here you see a button, customize your site. It is a button by which you can make some changes to your website. This button is also appear in the appearance section over here, customize. And just besides that, here is the next steps where you can write your blog post. The same button is available on the left corner section on the post tab. Here is that is add new. You have to click on that. You will be redirected to the same page by which you will be redirected to your blog post. So here is an add in about page button, and the same button is available into the page section, page tab on the left corner, that is add new. And view your site, this button is already available on the top left corner where your home icon is available, just right after your site title. And you can see visit site, and it is view your site. So uh, there there are many links available. What shows it? Wait for a minute. Yeah, sorry guys. So there are more, just besides the next tab there is a more action tab, and you see widgets and menus. These two options are already available in the appearance tab on the left corner. Here is that widgets and menus, and you can turn comments on or off. And there is a learn more about getting started, means you can and just survey about WordPress, and the same button is already available over here. The WordPress icon, it is what about WordPress org. It is a site of WordPress, and here is the documentation of WordPress, and it is supporting forms. And here is the feedback section, you can give a feedback or something like that. So after all of that, guys, we will let's learn about some database. As in the previous tutorial I taught you that your WordPress requires a database, because whenever user comments or your login ID password is your login ID password users comments or any kind of data is stored in the database. So how can we just know that our database is? Just you have to type localhost phpMyAdmin. Why phpMyAdmin? Actually WordPress is completely designed by using php and mysql. WordPress is a dynamic platform, so our data is stored our data is stored in the database. So last time we created a database name eng TechvZone. Let's click on it. Now all of your data is stored over here, means your command meta, your WP links, and much more. Like we are the user of WordPress, means we are admin of the WordPress. So as we click on this, here you can see that username logged in as a login username is admin, and the password is encrypted by mdb5 method. And here is the nickname, nice name. So here's the email that we set, and here's the time that we registered our account, and here is a display name that we just set a while ago. And after all of that, just click on WP comments, and you can see that there are some comments that we just posted a while ago, and here is the time, durations, and here's the comment that we did a while ago, and here's the browser information about that. So all of our data is stored in the database, and you can inspect your data from here. So I hope guys you have understood what I taught you, and if you do not understand any part of this video, if you're having any kind of trouble, just leave a comment below, or you can contact me on Facebook. So guys, if you love this video, if you like this video, just give a thumbs up, please share this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it, and also click on the bell icon so that you may receive daily one or two tutorials of WordPress, and we will inshallah soon jump to the custom theme development. So guys, take good care. I'm going